Alright guys, welcome to another show with me, Dr. Sashi, and this is Dr. Roland.
Hello.
Today we are going to be doing Mutton Ghee. Ghee mutton. This is also another Deepavali special lah. And the best part is, kita takkan pakai mana-mana curry powder, chili powder, no pre-packed stuff. Semua benda ori-ori je. Alright, so the original ingredients today we're going to use.
Okay,
First thing is today's star, which is our kambing kampung or local mutton. You see the fat amount is very less. This is the rib. You can see the amount of fat banyak ni je, sikit je, not much. Alright, so this is one healthy meat lah. Okay, fantastic. And mydaging, sponsored by mydaging. Alright, so today's show is in fact brought to you by, sebelum main tu, Keto Mall Asia. We're shooting from Keto Mall Asia's kitchen using Harvest oil, Raisin Lush PCO virgin coconut oil, and of course, since it's ghee mutton, right? Our ghee is from
Cook It Up Kitchen.
Yes, so it's organic ghee.
Yep.
Alright, so the rest of the ingredients that you have: 1 tablespoon of peppercorn. Okay. Red chili, tapi jangan takut, this chili is actually not spicy at all. I'm just putting it for colouring, but this is the spicy one. Alright, so tak banyak pun. And of course, our cumin, coriander seed, and also fennel seed, and onion, yogurt 2 tablespoons. This is your what's it called? It's ginger and garlic paste, and the other things, which are your cinnamon, bunga lawang, buah pelaga, cengkeh, and half a lemon juice. Alright, and some, of course, not to forget,
Salt to taste.
Right, so we're going to put all the dry ingredients, which is the jintan manis, jintan putih, and ketumbar or coriander. All we're going to saute in a dry pan, no oil.
So we're gonna put this in.
This, yes, put everything in.
Hari ni turn air pula nak masak.
Then
Tapi sifu aja lah.
what do you call this? The peppercorn. Put it inside, and the chilies.
Chai chilies.
Yes. Right. So we're gonna saute until you get the smell. Sorry guys, belum ada from these spices.
So we're putting a very low heat actually at the moment.
Yes, very low heat, very low heat. In fact, I can even lower it a bit more, so I don't want it to terbakar. So you don't want the chili to like kembang and become big. We just want to make it slightly blackish. You can see the crackling sound. If you can hear the crackling sound, that's already a very good sound. We're going to do this for at least around 1 to 2 minutes. Alright. That's one thing. Chili powder and all those. Another thing is, they will end up.
What's that?
Coconut cider vinegar. So it's an enzyme. So you don't have to cook your mutton in a, what do you call this, a pressure cooker for too long and make the meat really tough and speed up the process. Yes, it's good. So you're just going to marinate with that VCO for at least half an hour to 1 hour. That's it. Your meat will be as tender, even more tender than cooking with a pressure cooker. Alright, so this is done. Off. We're going to transfer into the blender. Slowly.
Because all the leaves, the curry leaves, curry. How is that when you shoot?
Add the onion. Gonna add the lemon juice. Okay. And some water.
How much water do you need?
Just a bit. A bit of the ginger garlic paste. Alright.
It's always handy to have this ginger garlic paste at home.
Yes.
So you don't have to
always cut it or blend it.
Yep.
Just keep it in a jar, in a small container. It will last you for. A bit more water. It's a bit dry. Add a bit more.
The kayu is on top.
Yeah, man. So this is the consistency we want it to be at. Betul-betul halus. It's like really grinded. looks like a real chili paste. There's nothing big inside there. Remember, there was cinnamon, there was all the other spices like your what do you call this? Your cardamom and all those. Everything is finely grounded to this consistency. All right. So for today's cooking, we're going to be using a very special oil. Dr. Roland, would you want to say more about this?
This is Harvest premium like red palm oil. So this is what is very high in the carotenes.
Is that why it's red?
Yes, because carotene actually have this red pigment, and why you want to use this kind of oil? So it also plays with the color of the meat.
Yes,
one, and I think it's very rich in
vitamin E. Which is an antioxidant. You guys have to know. There's two vitamins.
Don't think if it's oil means it's bad. So we're not going to use a lot. This is the simple amount that we're using.
Okay.
In fact, I'm considered very generous already cooking with that oil.
Okay.
Now we're going to go with the paste.
The paste.
Whether it's hot enough, because you want you not tumis the paste. That's the right word.
So you want to test it. You take a small amount like this. It's almost there.
Almost there.
Okay. All right, you can drop it.
Okay.
Drop it like it's hot.
Can you clear it?
You can use that spoon there.
Okay, the spoon.
Of course, we're going to add the star of the show today, which is the organic ghee.
From Cook It Up Kitchen. This is natural ghee, no preservative use, and they use actually really pure natural ghee. There's a lot of things that you have to understand, that the natural ghee is lagi lembut. Dia takkan like feel like very very tough. Its texture is very very soft. You see, it's just running on my heat here.
So we're gonna let this masala cook for at least 5 minutes. Once you see the redness coming out, and then we toss in the yogurt. The yogurt is to counter the spiciness of the cheese.
So sort of like balance it
out. Alright. So we now want to add the yogurt inside. So I think it's good enough to put it inside. I want to reduce the flame a bit more.
And give it a stir.
Mix it.
So some people, if they don't want to use yogurt, another option is coconut milk is another option. But
the reason why I don't add coconut milk is because it'll get too watery then. That's
and then also you're playing with a lot of oils at the moment.
Yeah, you already have.
So this is still cooking.
So time to add in the star of our show today.
This meat is from.
So I'm gonna put it inside.
This is local mutton again from mydaging.
Which has been marinated with the virgin coconut. What do you call this?
Vinegar.
The vinegar. Coconut
Why
vinegar.
did you do that?
Pressure cooker.
Would it like make it feel like a vendalu of that? Because like vendalu.
It won't dry and rubbery. I don't want that to happen. Right? With this, you're going to cook at this point. Garam cukup rasa.
Because most of the ingredients is added in.
So you can add in. You can mix it. So boleh add kalau dah lebih susah.
And another one more thing very interesting, I think
Salt, yeah. So if you go to a farm where they have goats or sheep, goat lah, not sheep, goat, they will have like a block of salt blocks. So even in the wild, these goats go in search of salts, even to altitudes which are crazy. Yeah?
That's why you see all these kambing gurun climbing all these mountain goats climbing
goats,
out.
Ibex, they go really high up to find just salt.
So salt is something not bad. It's just that in right amounts, and if you're not having things like unnecessary MSG and stuff like that, having natural table salt or the Himalayan rock salts, these are something simple and necessary, because it will help you with your muscle function. It will help you with a lot of your daily activities of your cellular activities.
we want this thing to be dry. So it's actually a dry mutton ghee roast. So approximately around 15 minutes after the first time we closed it, remove the lid, let it slowly simmer in very low fire for at least another half an hour. Alright?
Rendah be ya.
Slow cook. Just 1 hour to slow cook this, which is worth it. Trust me, because if you
Done.
yes, done. All approved. Yeah.